Hello everyone, thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing for beginners. But before I tell you about that, I want to share with you my story. I'm so excited to share with you my story. Well, my name is Rose Cherono and I'm a mother of 4 amazing kids, 2 girls and 2 boys. They are my world. Like, they are literally everything in my world, my guys. Life hasn't been easy for us. After coming out of a toxic relationship, I found myself with lots of responsibilities of raising my 4 kids alone. And not only that, it was also after taking also care of my sick mother. Most of the times, I found myself wondering how tomorrow will be. Every month looked like a tight walk rope, juggling between bills, debts, and also taking care of my little family. You know what? I wanted to give them the best. But then, with these bills, recurring bills every day, I found myself overwhelmed, honestly, overwhelmed indeed. I found myself borrowing from one person to actually pay the next person because there was no way out completely. There were nights where I would lay awake wondering how I'm going to keep my little family afloat, providing for them with no stress. But every day seems to be darker than the previous one. I wanted to give them the best, everything good, opportunities, good life, anything good that a parent can want to give to their children. And that is how I started to think further. Because apart from giving them their best life and everything, I also wanted to give them my time and love. That is a desire for every parent. Then one day I said enough is enough. I decided to venture into online opportunities. How I could get something to do and work and earn from home. So while I was passing through the online venture, I wanted a way to be there for them, at the same time providing for them. And that is how I bumped into so many opportunities that are online. My people, there are so many opportunities online. Only if you are ready to take them up. At first, I was a bit skeptical. It was like, could this be the answer? But the more I dived in, the more I realized that we have lots of opportunities, and especially with digital marketing, my people. With each small success, my confidence grew. I started to see results, and slowly but surely, my efforts paid off. They began to pay off. I was no longer surviving. We were no longer surviving. We were just thriving. And you know what? You can also do this. I knew how to create a stable future for my children while being present for them. My goodness. And that is why today I want to encourage someone with any challenge, whether it's debt, whether it's single parenthood, whether you want to work around your family, whether you want to have that extra income, that digital marketing, you can start with that. And it is so user-friendly and especially for a beginner. Thank you so much for listening to my story. And now let's dive into the digital thing that I wanted to share with you for the beginners. Digital marketing is a vital tool today because it allows us to connect with the whole world. And therefore, it gives us with invaluable skill, and especially with the Legacy Builder program. You'll get the skill that you need. So for you as a beginner, you are in the right place. At its heart, digital marketing is simply promoting products or services using online channels. It's as simple as that. And what are the channels? What are the online channels? We have the search engine optimization, we have the website, we have the social media, name them. So for you as a beginner, and especially with the legacy builder context, we are using all these channels to do what? To do digital marketing. And because we have a step-by-step blueprint, we are using all these channels. And these channels we are leveraging on social media. I told you that is one of the channels in digital marketing. We are also using email marketing, which is inside our program, inside our step-by-step blueprint. We are also using the search engine optimization. Yeah, we are using all those channels. We are using the high traffic website inside. So with legacy builder context, you as a beginner, you as a newbie in the online space, you as a person that you don't know which way forward, that you don't have anything to do, this is the right platform for you. Come here, do digital marketing in a simple way using our step-by-step blueprint, and let me tell you, you will not regret it. Digital marketing is an essential skill for anyone who wants to succeed in digital world, and especially with the support of the Legacy Builder program, you will surely be there because of the support that we have, because of every step-by-step blueprint that we follow. You will never go wrong as long as you have the 3 C's: be committed, be coachable, and be consistent. That's it. Thank you so much for listening to my story and also to today's topic. So if you want to know more about my digital marketing, please make sure you subscribe to me, to my channel, and also share my channel to your friends and relatives who want to benefit from this. And click on the notification button so that anytime I have shared a story or a video, you will be notified. Otherwise, thank you so much. See you on the next one. Thank you.